Our homes aren't the only things that need a spring clean. If you're considering buying or selling anytime soon, a home finance spring clean may help stretch your budget and free up some all-important funds for your dream home. Ever heard of loyalty tax? If you've been with the same lender, energy provider or telco for a long time, you could be getting a better deal elsewhere. Set aside time to shop around on recurring home expenses. Lots of lenders, insurance and telco providers have great incentives for new customers. Most importantly, consider refinancing your current home loan while interest rates are the lowest they've been in decades. A good rule of thumb is to shop around every 6 to 12 months or after a change in income. A Domain Home Loan Specialist can guide you through the process and may help you find a cheaper rate for your situation, all from the comfort of your home. So start your home finance spring clean by talking to a Domain Home Loan Specialist today.